Are you craving shareable, flavorful dishes? Peter Chang Herndon brings a tapas-style menu that's perfect for sharing.
They offer a variety of dishes like Taiwanese popcorn chicken and steamed barbecue pork bao. For those who prefer plant-based meals, try the vegan spicy Dan Dan noodles.
The full-service bar serves specialty cocktails made with baijiu, a traditional Chinese liquor.
Whether you're new to his restaurants or a dedicated fan, you'll definitely find something you love. Known for his mastery of Sichuan cuisine, they use top-quality ingredients, including organic Amish products, in every dish.
Browse peterchangherndon.com for more information.